welcome to the behind the scenes Reetsuri V3 at Winton. Yesterday we spent a whole day loading up trailers. We've got the merch trailer here and all the crew stuff. Got the car, all the tyres, and this time we're actually doing the time machine and everything. So we've got a couple of time machines on Corey's trailer, so that's 3 trailers I had to load up yesterday. Didn't finish till late as hell. This video is going to be pretty much behind the scenes of what goes down at the track and whatnot, and we'll have an official video too. Hope you enjoy. Raceway.
Cane boots. We're currently holding a practice day. Damn, these cars make some cool noises. There's a Lotus.
New time machine tanks. Cleaters on the tools. That's the one.
Hang on, let me climb in. Hang on. Wah.
This back. Should be right.
Alrighty. Both in. Both working.
All done. We all done. Next job. Unload cars.
Oh hell!
Knew I shouldn't have done it. Just gotta let it chill.
Thank you very much for a lovely day. I hope everyone drives home carefully and hopefully you all back here very soon.
Everything we got on track? Yeah. Alright, so we're back at the track in the morning. Definitely forgot to film unloading some things like the trailer and whatnot. Anyway, so we got Danny's unloaded all the merch. We got the merch thing right here. That's another mission in itself. Anyway, back here early, 6 AM down at the track.
The next morning.
Alright, speakers all set up. I've got the essentials. Morning coffee, a bit of chat, Mickey D's, but it's alright. Cars are just coming in now in the gate. There we got driver's briefing and whatnot, so I got to try and remember 5,000 things. But we'll get there, son. We will get there.
Can you say cut to the track or cut to action? Say let's go drifting or something like that.
Let's go drifting.
Oh my god. It's time.
Time.
It is time. Oh, dang, that's cool.
Yo, he said you fell out.
Oh.
Hey. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's leaking.
Oh, yeah.
Where the fuck? Where the fuck?
Nice. God dang.
Oh, your belt come off.
Oh, shit. Okay, that's good. That's not fucked. Just a belt.
You need a belt.
No, not even one lap in. Power steering belt. You get that on the big job. But that's not the worst of the problem. We can get a belt on there, no worries, Sonny. From the good blade, good cut on the inside or outside?
Inside.
You want the nice one at the front?
Because you can turn the belt around anyway.
Oh, shut your ass. No, it only goes one direction.
We're not a boy band, mate.
Alright, custom ribbings. Pleasure. Keyhole there. Just don't want to slip and cut my thing.
Yeah, don't do it, it hurts.
Yeah, done.
Same. Wait,
This is working, okay?
but now we've still got 4 ribs.
What? No. 1, 2, 3.
4.
I can't math good. Get in the groove, you never finished school.
Helps if you cut all the way through.
Rona.
Oh, hell.
Guess I'm a nobody.
Go check Drew School and then head out for a quick session.
Yeah.
See how rusty I am.
There's genuine cup holders in there. Sparkly helmet.
Still about the Sparker Boys. Definitely stole that from Danny in Japan. Reet. So it's a spin-off of Keep It Street, which is a sort of street slang for drifting or illegal driving on the street. And so I got lots of trouble when I was on my feed. Like a whole lot of marijuana off the last year. Had to turn to track drive. There wasn't really much down in First tyre change of the day. Lunchtime. Fair to say I haven't had that much driving. But you get that, don't you? Just had an interview with bloody Win News. So maybe my videos might get a few more views than 100 like my YouTube channel. Let's go. The presenter's going to come in the car, putting the pink wheels on for her. Let's see if we can scare her.
Sorry guys, I have my short ones on. Oh hell, what's going on here?
I think we're going to seize that turbo.
The turbo.
Turbo.
Yeah, I know.
I'll go home, get the pinky.
We are open track.
Take the third.
That's
Oh,
not
you know
loose.
what? Look how loose that is.
Oh, really? That's loosened from grabbing or something.
Yeah.
I just tighten her up. We're good to go. The
Hey!
angle grinder, balance her up, little action. So, from all I think the last Reetsuri antics of welding turbos to manifolds and whatnot, has in turn bitten me in the bottom, I think. Because she gone done C's. She was making little shing shing noises. It was like I had a twin plane turbo, but that's not a real thing. So now she gone seized up. So Corey was keen on road trips tonight. Maybe we're going to pick up Pinky and send her tomorrow. Bring her back home.
Hang on.
What do you reckon? I reckon.
Alright.
Bring the 34.
That's a good idea.
Well, that's ready to go too, but less of an alignment than Pinky.
Yeah, true.
It'll be way too much air trying to get that set up.
Get in, boys. We're going on a road trip.
Road trip! Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, through the tunnel. You just press that little red button down there. Still traveling. How's road truck? Gotta get the 33 dog off. Oh, Sam. Oh, she's sick. Alright. Well, she did me well anyway. Now she's parked up. Now it's the pink boy's turn. I think I still only maybe 4 or 6 tyres in that. God dang. Anyway, back to Winton, get her loaded up. Let's do it. Quick refuels. Quick McD's cheeseburgers. And we're on the way. Ah, dang it. That took the goddamn time.
Yeah, can you tell them we're on a mission?
Pretty much.
We're sending an offer.
Oh, yeah.
Road trip. Cheers, some tools.
Ah, road trip. One lap in. Got a bit of a murky hole down there. Oh, yeah.